if you were standing out here by yourself and they decided to come over and be like, give you a hard time about it, it's a minimum of $250,000 fine.
$250,000, huh?
$250,000. The FAA is suing people left and right.
The guy you just heard talking to me claims to be a rep of the FAA. I could not take him seriously after he claimed I could be fined a $250,000. So later in the video I am approached by a park ranger who does tell me I am flying in a restricted area.
Hey guy.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
What's up?
Just curious. I'm a pilot too.
Oh yeah? What you got?
Do you have your FAA card and your?
I am not 107 certified. I am not.
But
I have drones registered.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, what's up?
I just know down here there's like a park officer sitting over there, and I haven't seen him when I took off and put in stop. They can give you a bit of a hard time for flying without a spotter or out of line of sight. Like, it's kind of a hot subject.
Really?
Yeah.
Down here, huh?
It's actually if you pull it up, I stand here with you for a minute because I am certified. But if you were standing out here by yourself and they decided to come over and be like, give you a hard time about it, it's a minimum of $250,000 fine.
$250,000, huh?
$250,000. The FAA is suing people left and right. Like, it's a hot subject.
I thought a spotter was not required, but it was recommended.
It's required when you're flying like out of sight. If you can't see the quad from like where you're standing at, which is something like a little over 200 feet.
Yeah.
I think they get.
No, that's why I usually come down here so I can see it. Yeah. They've come by me. They haven't said anything yet, so that's why I was wondering if you've had an issue with it, because I haven't yet. And they've been down here and they've been kind of.
I came down here to fly.
Really?
I've flown down over the strip and they gave me a hard time.
I wouldn't do that over the strip either.
I had the state highway down there like giving me a hard time.
Yeah, dude, you can't fly over people like that.
Well, you can when you have your certification.
Yeah, but you gotta get a waiver for that, don't you?
Kind of, sort of.
Kind of, sort of. It's still gray, huh?
Sort of. When you have your full like certification, they kind of let it go. They're like, all right, you are professional. You went through classes.
Where'd you take your test at?
I went to Muncie.
Where's that?
Muncie, Indiana.
Indiana?
FAA headquarters.
Oh, okay.
I've been all over.
Yeah?
You ever seen the giant scale gas airplanes and shit? 100cc like tumbling around? No, that's what I do.
Yeah?
I go down to all over the place. I've been South Carolina, California, and I travel all year. Pretty spectacular. Return to home?
Yeah, it was just kind of hovering out there.
I have my Phantom 3 Pro fly away.
That's what I'm not.
I calibrated it too.
Phantom 3 flying away. Like everyone says they've had
I had the Pro.
And the Pro?
Yeah, I had the Pro and mine flew away.
Yeah.
I watched the bitch just go, climbed to 500 feet and took off.
Really? I mean, what caused it? Is it like interference or maybe? I mean, there's a cell tower right there. I mean, it's never caused me any problem. Any idea what it was?
I honestly don't know.
Don't know,
It was the normal flying field.
Oh. Oh. No, here he comes. Let's see how it goes. How you doing?
Man, here to be the bearer of bad news.
I figured that.
Yeah, I know. See me coming. There's restricted areas for drones in the state parks.
Really? Where's it at?
No, this is restricted.
Oh,
The
I
only
mean,
place
places
is-
restricted for drones.
Our Crabapple parking lot, which is the parking lot that is actually on the south side of the roadway, right over here, is where you're
Okay, where that
allowed
big
to
parking lot
launch
is?
in and out of.
Okay.
Fly drones.
Am I allowed to fly out of that area?
Airspace is airspace. I can't tell you.
Okay, just about where we launch and where.
I don't.
Okay.
I'm not going to get into.
I'm asking.
I'm
No,
not,
no,
I
I'm
know,
asking.
but I'm not going to get into specifics with you. But
Right.
because I don't want to.
Legal law is line of sight. It has to be visible to you.
He
Even
knows,
from
but
camera.
I'm not going to.
I'm an FAA rep.
Yeah.
I
So-
came over to let him know if he didn't know.
Yeah. Yeah, over here. Yeah, they don't want to, anywhere where there's people and stuff, they want to keep them away because
Sure,
they don't
no,
want
I
any
understand that.
liabilities
I usually
or
just go
injuries.
out over the water and
I understand.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, trust me, I didn't know, and,
No.
and I'm glad you
I'm
told me.
not-
I'm glad
I'm
he
not
came
running
over.
your information. I'm not making a,
Oh, no,
a
no,
stop
no,
about it or
fine,
anything. I'm
no.
just advising.
No, and
Because I know you're not meaning any harm.
No,
so.
absolutely not.
I actually figured it was maybe with the fishing tournament that was going on out there. I go, well,
Oh,
maybe
yeah.
somebody's out on a boat doing it. So
no
we heard
problem.
it earlier, and I there's either a drone or a swarm of bees around us, so we weren't sure. So.
Well, my question I have a question for you though.
Yeah.
Like I was looking online around here and see if I could find any of that restrictions around here.
Yeah.
Do you have that anywhere? Like, can I get it from the office?
I
or-
have it in an email somewhere.
Can I get it in my email?
No, I received it in an email. Or
I mean, how are we supposed to know that? Is what I'm asking.
Well,
Because
right
no,
now,
and that's
yeah,
fine,
that's
and
it, so.
I appreciate the information.
Yeah.
I really do.
You
And I'm not trying to give you a hard time either.
From the Academy of Model Aeronautics, they have the aviation flight restrictions like posted for your area.
Yeah, I don't
You
know
just
if they
Google
have
your
them
area
specific
code.
to a state park.
Yeah, and that's.
Oh
State
no, it's
park
like
rules and laws.
over mapped. Like
Yeah, but
it
state
shows
park
you.
rules and laws, are a little overlaying.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't make any sense. Like, for example, the marina doesn't want people fishing off the docks. That's not a state park rule that I enforce. That's their marina rules.
Really?
So there's different rules and stuff, and the county may say it's okay to fly anywhere in the county, just hypothetically, but because it's state park property, state park will have their own rules.
No, that's fair.
So it's,
That's fair
it's
enough.
like
Yeah.
jurisdictional.
Sure.
bullshit.
No,
So,
that's-
you know,
absolutely.
how's it
Absolutely.
going?
Good morning.
Yeah, I mean,
Just
trust me,
advise
and like I said, I appreciate the information, and I looked for it. I was, I went
Yeah.
online hoping I could find something. and-
If I can find something and you're still around later when I come back, I doubt it because I'm gonna be out on the road all day. So
Well, no, and I have a boat in the marina. I understand. I don't want to own my boat either.
if you're out on your boat, I don't think there's any restrictions as far as I'm aware of on the water.
Actually, it's illegal to launch from a
From moving vehicle.
floating platform.
I wasn't sure about that.
I'm gonna take this guy with me.
Yeah, there you go. So,
I appreciate it, sir.
Adam.
Appreciate it very much.
yeah.
You won't
Nice to
have
meet
that
you
problem
guys.
again here.
Nice to meet you. Yeah. If I need anything, I'll.
Yeah, really,
track
Mr.
this guy
FAA
down.
right here. All right.
He knows more about this stuff than me. I don't know a whole lot about it.
And
I
I'm just
know
learning
what
too,
they
sir.
call it.
I'm just learning too.
The guys down at the Marks Club, right on the corner of 20 and Payne Aram at Yamaha, they fly on Sunday mornings, and they can tell you everything you want to know.
At the Northridge Yamaha?
Yeah, there's the
Exactly.
Menor
Yeah,
Area Radio Control
Really?
Society.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't
I'm
realize
one of their
that.
show pilots. For
Okay, I
Cleveland.
didn't realize that was actually, functioning.
Yeah, it's a model airstrip.
Okay.
They fly on Sunday mornings
Yeah.
and Wednesday nights after 5.
Oh, that'd be neat. Check that out sometime. Put the kids up there.
It's
All
pretty
right.
cool.
Thank you,
I
sir.
usually put on a show.
Thank you, and thank you guys.
No problem. Take it easy.
I'm the party pooper. and I
No,
hate-
don't
I
be.
hate being the party pooper. I tell people that all the time. I'm like the fun sucker. That's part of my job. to do
Rules are
fun
rules,
stuff
man.
and
I did. I mean, I was to look for him. I didn't think there was.
I feel like
If
I
didn't
jinxed him. I
see it,
saw him and I
wouldn't
came
know
up
it,
to
but
say
I saw
hi.
it, and I saw it coming down over here, and I go, well, I'll go over and let him know. Because
Been
what
a
would happen
manufacturing
is,
supervisor for 20 years.
Yeah.
I see it. I
You
got to
know-
do something about it.
if it were to fall and hit somebody, break somebody's windshield, they'd be calling us.
Yes, sir.
So that's just the nature of it.
No problem. Have a good day.